Hi, I need pumpkins for Halloween.
Welcome! We have all sizes.
I want 2 big ones for carving.
These orange ones are perfect.
They are so heavy.
That means they are fresh.
How much for 2 big ones?
$8 each, 16 total.
Do you have small ones too?
Yes, for decoration?
Yes, for the front steps.
These mini pumpkins are cute.
I will take 6 small ones.
$1 each, $6.
Do you sell corn stalks?
Yes, by the entrance.
Perfect for the front porch.
$5 for a bundle.
I will take 1 bundle.
So $27 total.
Here is 30. Keep the change.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Hi, I need Halloween candy.
We have big variety bags.
How many pieces in each bag?
About 150 pieces.
That should be enough.
How many kids come to your house?
Last year, about 80 kids.
Then 1 big bag is enough.
What flavors are inside?
Chocolate, gummy bears, and lollipops.
Kids love chocolate the most.
We also have a chocolate-only bag.
How much is the chocolate bag?
$14 for 200 pieces.
I will take that one.
Do you want a pumpkin bucket too?
What is it for?
To hold candy at your front door.
Great idea. How much?
$3. Very cute.
I will take it. Thank you.
Happy trick-or-treating. Hi, I need 2 costumes, please.
For you and your husband?
Yes, we want matching costumes.
How about a vampire couple?
Too scary. Something fun.
A pirate couple is very popular.
Pirate? That sounds fun.
Here is the pirate dress for you.
I love the hat. Very cute.
And this pirate coat for him.
He will love the eye patch.
It comes with a fake sword, too.
Ha! He will play with it all night.
Each costume is $25.
50 for both?
Yes, and 10% off today.
So $45?
Exactly. A great deal.
I will take both.
Do you need face paint?
Yes, a small set, please.
$5. You're all set.
Hi, I need Halloween decorations.
We have everything you need.
Do you have fake spider webs?
Yes, very popular this year.
I need 2 packs.
For the front porch?
Yes, and maybe the bushes.
These glow-in-the-dark ones are cool.
They glow at night?
Yes, kids love them.
I will take those. What else?
How about skeleton window stickers?
Those are funny. I will take some.
Do you need plates and cups?
Yes, for the party.
These orange and black ones are cute.
How many in each pack?
12 plates, 12 cups.
1 pack of each, please.
Your total is $32.
Here's my card.
Happy Halloween!
Thank you. This'll be fun.
Let's start with the front porch.
I will hang the spider webs.
Stretch them across the bushes.
Like this?
Perfect. Very spooky.
Now the corn stalks.
One on each side of the door.
And the pumpkins on the steps.
Big ones on the bottom step.
Small ones on the top. Cute!
Now put the skeleton stickers on the window.
Wait, what is that on my hand?
Haha, it is a fake spider.
You put it there.
Your face was so funny.
Not funny. I hate spiders.
Even fake ones?
Especially fake ones.
Okay, no more spiders, I promise.
The house looks amazing, though.
Best Halloween house on the street.
I agree. Very spooky.
Time to carve the pumpkins.
I have never carved one before.
First, cut a circle on top.
With this big knife?
Yes, be careful.
Done. Now what?
Scoop out the seeds inside.
This is so messy.
Ha! Use the big spoon.
Now I draw the face?
Yes, 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth.
I will make a scary face.
Okay, let me see yours.
Ta-da! What do you think?
One eye is bigger than the other.
It adds character.
The mouth is crooked too.
It is a unique pumpkin.
I love it. Very original.
Let me see yours.
Here, a happy cat face.
That is so much better than mine.
Yours has more personality. Trick or treat.
Wow, a princess. So beautiful.
She picked the costume herself.
Here's some chocolate for you.
Say thank you, sweetie. I love your pirate costume, Tom.
Ha! Sarah picked it for me.
Your house looks amazing.
We spent all afternoon decorating.
The pumpkins on the steps are so cute.
I carved the one with the crooked face.
Ha, that one is my favorite.
Everyone says that.
Are you having a party later?
Yes, some neighbors are coming.
Can we come after trick-or-treating?
Of course, we have hot cider.
We will be back around 8.
See you then. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, Captain Tom.
Ha! I like that name.
Greg, great zombie costume.
Thanks. You make a great pirate.
Try the pumpkin cookies. I made them.
These are delicious.
The secret is real pumpkin puree.
My wife wants the recipe.
I will send it to her tomorrow.
Do you decorate this much every year?
This is our first big Halloween.
It looks like a haunted house.
Tom hung all the spider webs.
We just put up fall wreaths.
Where did you get yours?
The craft market on Oak Street.
I love fall decorations.
Have you been to the Quan Maze?
Not yet. Is it fun?
Very fun. Kids love it.
Maybe we should go next weekend.
We can all go together.
That sounds perfect.
Cheers to Halloween.
What a night!
I am so tired, but so happy.
How many kids came for candy?
I lost count after 60.
The pumpkin bucket was empty.
Good thing I bought the big bag.
Linda's daughter was so cute.
The little princess? Adorable.
Greg loved your crooked pumpkin.
See? Crooked is cool.
You are right.
Next year, I will carve better.
I liked this year's pumpkin.
Really?
It made everyone smile.
That is all that matters.
This was our best Halloween.
Because we did it together.
Next year, bigger party?
Much bigger.
I love fall.
Me too. Best season ever.